Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to find USDT BEP20 so on your Trust wallet. So if you want to look for USDT BEP20 on your Trust wallet, you have to launch your Trust wallet, enter your passcode. Then the next thing, this is the interface of my Trust wallet. Scroll down, tap on manage crypto. So on manage crypto, look for USDT BEP20 here. USDT, you can write BN close to it so it's more easier. So you look at it, the last crypto there, just make sure that your toggle is being turned on. That way it's going to be imported into your Trust wallet. So what you have to do now is to go back. So now you can see that USDT BEP coin chain has been added to my list of crypto on Trust wallet. So if I want to make use of it for transaction, I just have to tap on it. Then if I want to send a crypto to it, I just have to tap on the send option and enter the address that I'm sending it to. Pause. Or if I want to receive, I just have to tap on the receive option and copy this address, send it to the exchange that paste it on the exchange that I want to copy that I want to receive from to my Trust wallet, and then the transaction will take place. Please take note, any of the network you're using on your Trust wallet should be the same with the network you're going to receive from. Don't use different network so that you will not lose your crypto. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.